real reason I didn't make videos is because I was too busy having a pillow fight with my dogs. No! What is up, party people? You are watching Alec Artis official YouTube channel. Holy Moses! I am here, I am filming a video, and I am editing them. Whoo! I just got done with a photo shoot today. That is why my hair looks like a Renaissance Taylor Swift white horse, whatever this is, okay? I think it looks pretty jazzy. I like it. I had a great time. It was great. But anyway, guys, I am here to address the real issue at hand that I have not posted to you guys in a little while. Where have I been? What the heck have I been doing? And I promise you it was all for a good purpose. I took some much needed time away from social media. You guys know I love making content, I love making videos, I love doing acting, filming. Most of all, I love doing my YouTube channel and giving you guys videos. My husband is getting ready to get out of the military here soon. I was like, oh my gosh, I need to figure out what in the world we are doing, okay? I went home to Idaho. I hadn't been home for literally an entire year. I spent the last month, oh my gosh, I can't believe it's been that long since I posted. I am mad at myself. Why did you do this? I needed to go home and I needed to put a pause on it, reevaluate some things before I could come back and give y'all my all. Yeah! I am really happy that I did it because I spent my time doing a lot of really important things and just kind of like soul searching, building new relationships, cutting some relationships that weren't important out of my life. I really just spent my time, you know, just fulfilling my heart, collecting content. I got my eyebrows microbladed. I floated the river and spent time in nature, rode my bike, hung out with friends. I have filmed loads of things for you guys. I'm so excited for you guys to see. If you're a part of the military community, you know things go quickly. It's kind of hard to figure out what you want to do, especially when you're a military spouse. Your whole life is designed around your husband's schedule, basically. Now that he's going to be able to get out of the military, my opportunities are infinite. So I'm excited. I'm finally gonna focus on what exactly I want to be doing. I wanted to make this video really quick so you guys know, hi, I'm alive, I'm still here, I still make YouTube videos. I didn't forget about you guys. Every time my dog barks, I think that there's a freaking intruder, a ghost in my house, or a naked man running through my front lawn. Okay? Stop barking, Ryuk. You're gonna give me an anxiety attack. Where's my Xanax? Just kidding. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. Every thumbs up on this video, I will send you a Hostess cupcake. Just kidding. I won't. What if I just had like a full room that was just dedicated to just Hostess cupcake? My mom used to always pack those in my lunches. Man, it was like the jungle every single day in the cafeteria. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in just for this quick update video. This next week, I'm just gonna be editing. I know I keep saying that, but really, guys, you have to understand I work full-time also and just got back from the Idaho trip like literally last week. Other than that, thank you guys so much. See you guys very soon. Mwah. Yo, being near. I keep looking at the viewfinder. Stop looking at the viewfinder! Ah! Guys, the real reason that I was not making YouTube videos is because I was eating chicken nuggets. I was climbing the Empire State Building and pooping on top of it. I ran a marathon to Alaska. That's right, I jumped in the cold water, then I swam and ran on top of the water. Wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near. Slip down, my dear. You can lick my butt. Alright, I think we got the shot. But I need you.